Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to enter a credit card payment in QuickBooks. Whether you're managing business finances or personal expenses, this step is important for keeping your records accurate and up to date. So let's get started and make it simple. First, sign into your QuickBooks account. Head over to the QuickBooks website, click the sign in button, and enter your details. If you're already familiar with QuickBooks, this will be quick, but even if you're new, the platform is easy to navigate. Once you're in, make sure you're working in QuickBooks Online. This is the cloud-based version where you'll be handling most of your transactions. Enter your username and password carefully, then hit Continue so you don't run into login issues. Now, go to the Bank Transactions tab. This section is really useful because it lets you view and manage all of your bank and credit card activity. On your dashboard, select Link Account. This step connects QuickBooks with your credit card or bank account, which makes tracking and updating payments much easier. Just be sure your internet connection is stable during this process. Next, you'll be asked to provide your credit card or bank information. Type it in carefully and double-check it to avoid mistakes in your records. Once everything looks correct, log in to confirm the connection. Think of it like locking the pieces of a puzzle together. After this, your credit card transactions will flow into QuickBooks automatically. And that's all it takes. You've successfully entered a credit card payment into QuickBooks. With this setup, your financial management becomes faster, more accurate, and less stressful, giving you more time to focus on other priorities. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this.